In the way of trying to keep our mental and emotional health nice and strong and sound, the best thing to do is kind of stay with the things that are happening. So the closer we can stay to the physical or the reality of things that are happening, the greater strength of being able to act on these things that we'll have. So I think the first thing we should outline is what were the challenges of the old way of doing things? Like, what were the side effects? So, if we take a look into that, we can see that it was really a busy lifestyle. So, what does being busy look like when it comes to family? Well, when it comes to family, you're kind of already go, go, go. You don't have as much time to connect, talk to, bond, or communicate well if you're in that mindset. Also, when it comes to spouses, it's more about getting what's done for the day and then moving on to the following day. How does this play out for yourself? It means you don't have enough time to take care of the things that are important to you, meaning that you don't reflect to the people that are younger than you the things that are actually important. So, therefore, diminishing your own self care. If we take a deeper look into this, what is really happening with how we're kind of feeding our brains and bodies? We're taking in information at a really fast and rapid rate, meaning that our brain is constantly scanning for the most superficial pieces of knowledge possible. This creates a kind of release of endorphins. It makes you feel good about getting these little tidbits of information, of learning something, of being a good person, and we kind of stay too close to the surface. This causes things to overload our brains. We're just getting too much information, too much stimulus from so many things, and this causes a style of burnout. We're not able to really adhere to how we're feeling in the moment as we're feeling it, and then our frustrations and our energies are really misguided. So, this is one thing that we have to take a deeper look into, but was a cost of the old way that we were living.